In this video, I'll show you how to create a filter view in Jira. First, log into Jira and open the project where you want to find your issues. Next, go to Filters in the top navigation and select Advanced Issue Search. Now use the search fields to filter issues by project, status, assignee, priority, or other available fields. After that, click Search to display the matching issues. Next, switch to JQL if you want to create a more specific search using Jira's query language. Now, review the results and make sure the filter is showing exactly the issues you need. After that, click Save As and enter a clear name for your filter. Next, choose the sharing options if you want other team members to access the filter. Now save the filter and open it from the Filters menu whenever you need to use it. Finally, you can use the saved filter as a source for dashboards, reports, or other Jira views that support saved filters. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a filter view in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.